Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Yarmouth, local and long-distance movers near me. With many reasons to love Yarmouth, is it any surprise anyone living in it is planning to move within it as they change their environment? There are also several Yarmouth movers in 2023 who are local movers. They help residents move within the town. One of them is the reliable Yarmouth Local Movers. Work with local movers when moving within Yarmouth because they know how much about the town's routes and traffics and can navigate them through quickly and safely. Work with local movers because they know the unique challenges of moving within the town and have the expertise, experience, and relationships to escape and handle them. Long-distance movers like Yarmouth Long Distance 3 Movers can handle all parts of your relocation into Yarmouth from planning to execution. They can also give you a smooth relocation thanks to licenses that allow them to operate across states and their knowledge of the regulations around relocation in different states. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Yarmouth moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.